Good morning, or not so good morning. I wake up I woke up from all these helicopter noises. I don't know, there's something going on in the city probably, but there is a helicopter hanging next to your window when you're sleeping. You're not sleeping. It's really annoying. I'm actually really angry. So I'm going to get some breakfast. I don't think I'm gonna stay for breakfast or wait for my friend because I want to go home and work a little bit more. Do you hear it? It's just hanging there, waking me up. It's just hanging above this building. And the best part, it's not alone. There is the other one. I don't know what they're doing, but this is disgusting. It's Sunday morning. I think they know. I know what they're doing. I think it's just hanging there. I don't know if you can see it. Look there. That one is just hanging still. And my friend is living in the building there. And she's still sleeping. My question is how? So, I think there is this wheeler thing going on. Really, I could sleep 2 more hours. But tomorrow I'm still off, so it's okay. But whatever, this is... for real? I want coffee. I need coffee actually, and I'm going to the city. I will show you guys again the city center. So, I'm gonna drink some coffee. I found a normal coffee, and these girls in the coffee place, they told me it was wheeling, cycling, WK. Oh my god. I got some yeah, it's sugar coffee, it's not sugar. I ordered like the white cafe mocha, but I want to show you the cathedral, but it's packed. But okay. They're rebuilding it. It's already a long time. So you only see a piece, and then the tower is packed. So we're going to the main square of the city in the hope we can see something. But I can hear television, so that means we cannot see anything. Only the top of the buildings, but it's the most beautiful part. I don't know why I did this. I hope it's gonna be good. But I took the sugary one, white. Like before, I also ordered a white cafe mocha, and I said the same thing, and I got something. There is cream on it. I don't like milk. Yeah, there is this big screen, and there is television on it. And there is a screen with a television. There was like a lot of people. For me it's like morning, but it feels like afternoon. Every cafe is full. A lot of people are already drunk, and it's just 11 o'clock in the morning. So we can go over there. So this is the main square, the city hall. It's still not finished renovating. Okay, I have to go here. I don't like this. So my first ever Starbucks was, I think 10 years ago, a little bit more, probably, in Munich. And my friend there, he always drank it with a straw, because he said like it's lemonade of the coffee. So every time when I order this drink, because it's really sugary and I don't know, there's something in it I don't like, I always take a straw because it's like lemonade and it tastes better like this. So yeah, no tour of Antwerp because there is too many people, but we're going back. We're gonna have breakfast and we're gonna start the day. Today I want to edit a lot of movies, so tomorrow I can upload them at school, but I don't know if it's gonna work. And I'm gonna check my letterbox, because if the stickers are right for the Angkor Wat walk, I better paste them today because the sun is shining and it's gonna be ending soon. I'm in front of this window and there is all these aloe vera plants, a lot, and it says on art, aloe vera art and more. But look at this, I never seen this before. Yeah, you can see me too, but it's coming out of the plant. I never saw this. This is really cool. So, and there is all these plants. I don't know what it is. I'll maybe look it up. That's why I'm filming it. There is this on art. It's really cool. And then that's the big one, and it has like this flower coming out of it. It's really big.